Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fargan van Vandrensya, kelas 10 KGSP 2. Here I will tell about the legend Lutung Kasarung. Once upon a time, in Tatar Pasundan, there is a kingdom that led by a wise king. He is now as Prabu Trid. Prabu Tapa Agung has two beautiful daughters, named Purbararang and Purbasari sister. Upon approaching the end of his life, King Supreme, footprint pointing her young daughter, Purbasari, as a reply, I was too old, it's time a abdicate, said Prabhutapa. Purbasari had a brother named Purbararang. He appointed his younger brother Disek replace their father. I'm the eldest daughter, suppose father calls me as success. Grossing Purbararang on his friend's name in Rajaya, already have intention to make her pick his younger brother. Is accounted a grandmother magic for Purbasari. Grand magic a spell on Purbasari so that him suddenly becomes black letter Purbasari. Purbararang so have reason to avenge his sister. People who are commonly him unworthy of being a queen, said Purbararang. Then he is a minister to isolate Purbasari to a forest. Once in the forest, the physical king annoyed with making a torch to Purbasari. He also defeats Purbasari. Be the master of the prince. This ordeal will occasionally come to end. The Almig will surely always to be with princess. Thank you, uncle, says Purbasari. During his time in the jungle, he had a lot friend that is the animal that are well good to him. Among the animal there is a mysterious black-haired ape. But that ape that is the most attention to Purbasari. Lutung Kasarung is always exalting Purbasari with flower, get a beautiful flowers and fruit along with his friends. On the night of the full moon, Lutung Kasarung behave where he walked to a quiet place and meditate. He was begging for something to the gods. Lutung Kasarung proved that is not ordinary beings. Shortly thereafter, the land near Lutung breaks and creating a small lake. The water is clear. The water contains a drug that is very fragrant. Lutung Kasarung next day encountered Purbasari and asked her to battle in the lake. What are the benefits to me? Think Purbasari. But he was willing to comply. Shortly after his only himself, something happened under his skin. His skin became clean up before and become beautiful again. Purbasari was every surprised and excited when he reflected in lake. At the place, Purbararang decided to see brother in the forest. He went with in his sister and looked at each other. Purbararang could not believe seeing her sister black as before. Purbararang did not want to lose face. He invited Purbasari buffalo her length. Who is most long hair he is winning, said Purbararang. Purbasari was entirely unwilling, but because his elder brother Meladani is our continue, it turned out the hair like Purbasari. Well, I was lost but not let handsome Fins kick ass. This is my Fins, said Purbararang while approaching to Indrajaya. Purbasari started to fetch and confusion. Finally, he glanced at the interesting hand Lutung Kasarung. Lutung Kasarung bowing as if to show the Purbasari. Purbararang longing out loud. So the monkey Fins. That time also Lutung Kasarung saw the meditate. All of a sudden happened a miracle. Lutung Kasarung changed into a dashing young man, very handsome face, more than Indrajaya. All were surprised to see the incident as cheer. Purbararang finally admitted his defeat and quelled this. He apologized to his younger brother and begged not to be punished. Purbasari, the king, forgiving them. After the event, they eventually all of them back to place. Purbasari, to be a queen accompanied by a young his ideal, the young man would turn out to be always be accompanied forest in the from a lutung. The moral message the Lutung Kasarung story is truth and God will be able to overcome falsehood and arbitrage. Turn will come but victorious in the end. So from me apology if there is a wrong word. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.